Hi and welcome to day 14 of the Flylady 31 baby steps. Oh my goodness, we're already in day 14. Today's challenge is an easy one but very useful. Today we're going to begin to use our calendars. If you haven't done so already, be sure to have a simple calendar. If you cannot buy one at the moment, make sure that you are able to print one out from your computer or the library. They have free resources on Canva that you can design one and print one out. Otherwise, possibly your local pharmacy may have one. But if you do have it in the budget to purchase a calendar, they do have a tons of beautiful ones. I actually bought this one at the Dollar Tree, but I know that TJ Maxx and Marshalls and places like that have very beautiful ones for about $5 or so. Or at least they did a couple of years ago. Be sure to check it out yourself due to inflation. Calendars are super important because they help us to keep on track and not miss any deadlines. So today, grab a calendar and fill it out with all of the things that you have in the upcoming month. And since we're already nearing the end of September, go ahead and fill out October too. Person, you might want to look at the next 3 months, October, November, December, which also happens to be the last quarter of this year. Whatever works for you and your family, just make sure you get at least September and October done. And speaking of planners, they're also another super good resource. You can jot out everything you need. It could be anything from a basic planner to a more complex one. They sell some at the Dollar Tree. They also have some Target, Walmart, Amazon. The list is endless, and I may or may not even be working on a super fun planner. So you're gonna want to subscribe and stick around for that to see more details as that develops. But today's challenge is nice and easy. Be sure to get it done as soon as possible. It is a total game changer because moving forward, you will constantly be prepared. You can look at it the day before to help you pick out your clothes. You will never miss another deadline again, and you can prepare for your upcoming week. Just put it in a place where everyone can see it. If it's a family calendar, otherwise where you can see it. If you can get a pretty calendar, go ahead and do so because it's visually pleasing and also motivating and exciting throughout the month to look at. Once you go ahead and start using your calendars, make sure you comment done, but really quickly, let's review our habits. So far, every single evening, we get to shine our sink, pick out our clothes, do a hot spot, and a room rescue. Every single morning, we get to dress the shoes to a 2-minute hot spot, 5-minute room rescue, 15-minute declutter, 15 minutes of rest, and don't forget to delete those emails for 15 minutes. Throughout the whole entire day, we are to turn those negative thoughts into positive thoughts. And yeah, those are the habits. I hope you've been seeing a wonderful change in your home. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.